Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build a sheet summary report in Smartsheet. All right, so first up, log into your Smartsheet account and go ahead over to create. Okay, just click on it, and then once done, scroll down a bit, and then just go ahead and click on report. And here you have two options. Just click on sheet summary report. Wait for it. Now the first step here is to select your source sheet. Okay, let's say I have my sheets in here. I'm going to hit on next. Now go ahead and select the columns to display. All right, maybe I'm going to go ahead and select all and hit on next. Wait for it. Now after that, you can now go ahead and use the filter criteria, group and summarize, and also sort tool to organize the information how you wanted to see it. For example, I'm going to go and select a field right here. Maybe the created, then is blank or is equal to. All right, is equal to right here. Select the date that is available, maybe this one. And then you can go ahead and add in a condition if you want to as well. And or, okay, and to add as many conditions as you want. Also filter groups, okay. Once that's done, hit on apply. Go to group right here, okay, if you wanted to modify this one as well, and sort. All right, I'm going to go back to filter. I'm going to go ahead and add it as blank. It's not blank. I'm going to change it to a sheet name. Is not blank. Okay. Just filter it out however you want. Okay. Also, if you want to select all sheets that is available in your workspace, you can go ahead and do so. Hit on OK. There you go. Now, this is basically your portfolio view report. Okay. You can edit the fields from here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and click on a sheet name right here. And here we have the sheet. Okay. Go back. Now, if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and share it or publish. Okay. Or print it. Like so. Now, if you want to go as far as creating a sheet summary formula or cross-referencing other sheets, or even creating a legend, or in other words, a summary legend, you can go ahead and go to this article, which is from Smartsheet itself, which I'm going to go ahead and leave in the description below. But that's basically it. That's how to build a sheet summary report in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.